and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to do some bareMinerals. I have got the Dewy Lip Gloss Balms. I've got the little doodad to read it off here. The Dewy Lip Gloss Balm, long-lasting hydration and all-day shine in 8 creamy shades. I've been so excited to try these because it's coming up to summer. You don't want to feel like you've got a lot on. So these are lovely. You've got key ingredients of sea buckthorn oil, sesame seed extract, which is a powerhouse extract to help increase volume and retain moisture, meadow foam seed oil, antioxidant rich, keeps lips soft and supple. And it's clinically proven to deliver all day shine. So I've got all the shades here. I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got all the shades. Okay, so I'm going to try all of them. I've got one on at the moment. I'm going to go from lightest to darkest. So this is the Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss Balm. They look like this. Ooh. And this is the shade Dream, and this is the lightest one. So you're not even going to see. You see, it's just like a balm. They smell like strawberry shortcake. You know that little toy, strawberry shortcake? So that's Dream. So it's just a kind of balmy gloss. It's quite nice. I've used these over my matte creams as well, and they're really good. You know, say if you don't want to, your lips are a bit dry, keep them in your handbag. Really good for that. Great for summer. Now, it says this hybrid lip gloss balm drenches lips in all-day juicy shine. 24-hour hydration for lips that are visibly smoother, softer, and more supple. Way, but I'll tell you what, we're going to go on to this because I'm going to go on to the brighter, darker shades. This is perfect if you want to go for a bright lip, a dark lip, but don't want the commitment of lip liners and babysitting the lip. You can just pop this on and be done, right? So that was Dream. Now, I'm trying to go lightest first. So let's do it this way. So the next one I'm going to go for is called Hope. And this is the next lightest shade. That's what it looks like there. Oh no, Bert, stop! So Hope. I haven't even used this one yet. This kind of looks peachy, doesn't it? That's what Hope looks like. So I'm going to I've got my little cloth here. Remove that and Hope. That just gives a subtle peach hue. It's very subtle. So, you know, don't expect big amounts of colour, but that's a really nice one. It's a little bit peachier. The next one we've got is Affection. I love the packaging, it's gorgeous. Ooh, Affection. So you can see that was Hope, which has got the peachy shade, Dream, and Affection, a little bit more of a natural shade. You see they're starting to get more pigmented. You can see the difference immediately. Look at that. That gives you that kind of natural lip. Like that. Next up we've got Strength. Strength is a bit brighter. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, these are lovely for summer. There we go. Strength. So you can see that's got more of a bright tone. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. See how easy they are to put on? I'll just ding this on. This is more like a strawberry red. Nice, very nice. Now we've got going on to the really dark ones. Well, the mauves and we've got 2 mauves and 2 browns. So these are what we've got left. So we've got Soul, Devotion, Grateful and Friendship. So 2 browns and 2 mauves. So we're going to go with Soul. Let your soul. What's that from? Again, I think I've tried this one. Soul. Let's put that here. So that's the one we just had, that red one on, and now we've got this. So this one's more of a raspberry. I like that one. Yeah, I wore this the other day and I liked it. It's more of a kind of raspberry shade. See? I should have done that, shouldn't I? Okay, now we've got Devotion, which is quite a plummy shade. Oh, look at this. This is giving me Clinique Black Honey vibes. Yeah. Is that not giving you Clinique Black Honey vibes? Yeah. Okay, let's get this off. A lot darker, isn't it? Actually gives off really good, where's my mirror? Gives off really good colour payoff, you know? For it being a glossy balm, you're getting good colour. So that's that one. Devotion. Now I've got the last 2. We've got Grateful, and I think I've tried these ones as well. And oh no, I haven't tried this one. This one's really brown. Let's see how this looks. Oh, this is like kind of like a nude. Running out of hands. Here you go. That's kind of like a caramelly brown colour. And the last one we've got is called Friendship. And I think this is the one I tried. Or is it Friendship? Yeah, it's a really dark, let's see. It's not darker, it's the tone's different. So that other brown is kind of like warm, and this is like a neutral tone. So let's see what this looks like. Friendship. Yeah, do you see? That's a lot darker. God, they're lovely. Oh, do you see how dark that is now? It's really dark. But really nice and wearable. Oh, I just put it here. There we go. So, there we have it. Those are the 8 shades. What do we think? I think they're lovely. I think they are absolutely gorgeous for this time of year, because it's just a perfect time. Oh, hello. These are the colours here. It's just the time where you want something lighter on the lips. You don't want to faff about with lip liner. You want to get out in the sun, don't you? I don't know if you like that. Like, you know, suddenly it's spring and you get that feeling of that spring air, and you're like, oh, I've got to get out. I've got to have that spring air. I've got to, you know, but you don't want to do a whole heavier look. Then these lip balms are perfect. Which one's your favourite? I like the really bright one. I think I'm going to put the bright one back on because I'm feeling really dark now. I think my favourite is this raspberry one, Affection. Put one in the car, in your bag. Yeah, I like that one. There we go. Those are the bareMinerals Dewy Lip Gloss Balms. Have you tried them? What do you think? What are you doing for your makeup this spring and summer? Have you changed things up? Are you going to change it up? Do you want to see an updated makeup routine? I'm going through a makeup phase where I'm like, I don't know, and I'm doing different things, and I'm like, oh, I like it one day, not the next. Today, again, I keep going to, like, I'm not going to do a full, like, makeup, but I just can't. It's like, I'm either a full face or I'm not. I just can't do in between. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're well. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.